other sweet talker, with games in mind, wasted all my time, heartbreakers. Oh, was just another teenager, always wanting to be the game changer. Love in mind, wasted all my time, too naive to recognize the player. Love seemed just so dark. So with that in mind, who do you think you are? I wasn't looking for a knight of any kind, so lay down your armor, this is not a fight. I wasn't looking for a prince to convince I'm good enough for you. Not about to bow before you now. I never did believe in fairy tale stories now. As I leave, get off your high horse, please. Please. Oh, they all seem so charming, and those eyes, I don't tell everything.